Hello and welcome to this introduction video about our new software called CueTimer. This software allows you to put a countdown clock on an external monitor. And it's mainly useful on conferences and events where you have multiple speakers that want to see how much time they have left of their presentations. So as an example, let us see you receive this conference where there is a schedule. And in our program, you can set it up quite easily, the same schedule, just in a different format. And we call this a queue list. So we start with John, and he gets 30 minutes. And then wasn't that Jane who got 30 minutes? And in the end, it was Laura who gets 1 hour. So she gets 1 hour, and then there is the break. And we can just call it lunch. So what we've done now is just to set up our whole countdown. We're ready for show. That's it. So what do we do then when the show starts? You can see here John is lined up. This little monitor here, this is actually a straight copy of what's going to be shown on the monitor that is on the stage. I can just show you briefly here. Now this is the full screen. We don't need that now. You just need the preview. So this button here starts the whole thing off. John goes on stage, you fire his countdown. When he goes off the stage, you can push this button, which we call the cue next. She starts, and then next time maybe you just push it directly if you want to. You can do it like this. And then when Laura is done, it's lunch. So this is basically the most important features in this program, and we will also make some videos here on YouTube that explains more in depth about some things that we have included in this program. So please check out these tutorials and also go to our page presentationtools.com if you want to test it out yourself. Thank you for watching this video and see you again soon.